The seventh reading test. Number 1. To whom it may concern. I am writing about the service I got from your company on October 6, 2017. I was visited by a sales representative of your company, Mr. Jones, on that day. Mr. Jones was 1 hour late for his appointment and offered no apology. Mr. Jones then proceeded to present a range of products to me that I had specifically told his assistant by telephone I was not interested in. We ended our meeting without either of us having accomplished anything. I am most annoyed that I wasted a morning for such inefficient services. I would welcome the opportunity to discuss matters further and to learn of how you propose to prevent a similar situation from reoccurring. I look forward to hearing from you. Yours faithfully, Nora Walters. Number 2. Lise Meitner was born on November 7, 1878 in Vienna, Austria. The third of 8 children of a Jewish family, she entered the University of Vienna studying physics. After she obtained her doctor's degree, she worked with the chemist Otto Hahn for 30 years. After Austria was invaded by Germany in 1938, Meitner fled to Sweden. In February 1939, Meitner published the physical explanation for the nuclear fission that she observed. The discovery led other scientists to persuade Albert Einstein to write President Roosevelt a warning letter, which led to the Manhattan Project. In 1944, Hahn was awarded the Nobel Prize for Chemistry for his research into fission, but Meitner was ignored. However, in 1992, element 109, the heaviest known element in the universe, was named Meitnerium MT in her honor. Number 3. We tend to take something routine and ordinary for granted and easily forget them. An interesting fallacy of ours is shown in the picnic phenomenon. The weather forecast is highly accurate, especially forecasts that do not go more than a day or so into the future. But we tend to remember inaccurate forecasts more. Why? It's because it rained on a day for which fine weather was forecast, and we planned a picnic based on that forecast. The same holds true in other areas of our life. Everyone remembers the unexpected victory of the weakest team in the National Football League, even in minute details, but only a few passionate fans remember the victory of a strongest team in the same league. Number 4. Talk and silence may vary in some cultures. I once made a presentation in Bangkok to local staff, which was not a success, unlike my expectation. I had expected my presentation to start a lively discussion. Instead, there was an uncomfortable silence. After getting to know them better, I realized that the staff thought I was talking too much. In my own culture, we speak a great deal to express what we feel and think, and silence makes us uncomfortable. In some other cultures, people understand a lot of what is happening from the context, and sometimes feel too many words are unnecessary.